We've got just 60 seconds and 32 days left to flip the switch and build a better future for our cities and towns. This is Tobin at the Virtual Storefronts campaign. Startup founder Sahil Lavinia said, "Successful startups happen by solving problems in ways large companies can't. By starting from scratch, virtual storefronts can solve problems big tech depends on to maintain domination over you and me." Our project empowers you in a way nothing else can. We are giving local business the tools they need to viably compete in the future. We are giving you the opportunity to live in the future you want. We can't kick out Walmart and Google and data mining and expect big business to finance our business model. They aren't going to do it. To solve this problem and stay true to our vision and mission, venture capital isn't part of the equation either. There's too much invested in the status quo. The world's biggest companies depend on business models that we reject. That is why we are bringing this to you directly, the public, who will most benefit from a change that raises up your local economy and protects you from big tech in the future. We are not a charity. We are asking for you to look at this company and think about what we offer that serves your best interest. I am certain Virtual Storefronts and Uspace, the online safety network that powers all of our services, are your best bet for a future where technology serves you instead of what we have today, you serving technology. Because we happen to have a good idea, an idea that you could have had, this company is in a position to rewire the economy in favor of local business in a way that has never been done before. We can use 21st century technology to reverse the trends draining local economies for the last 50 years. Virtual Storefronts represents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Today, I want you to think about how dysfunctional current technology is and ask yourself, why shouldn't the future have technology that works for me personally? When you understand that your contribution pays actual wealth back to you and to those around you, bundling your small contribution with others who share that vision makes basic dollars and cents. For more information on what this company stands for, see links to our vision statement and founder video in comments. Remember, only you can like this post like a storefront specialist, share it like your town depends on you, and see first like you're running Facebook. I want to give a special shout out, thank you to Laura for our new sign off. Thanks for watching and see you next time.